In this video, I'm going to talk about something called as excuse app from inactivity notifications. Now, what do you mean by that? In Power Platform Center of Excellence Starter Kit, there is a functionality whereby you can excuse some of the app from inactivity. Now, what happens in Center of Excellence Starter Kit is like if your app has been published and if that app has been not used for more than say X number of days, then that app is marked as inactive. you know Now if you don't want that app to be marked as inactive, then you need to do some sort of an action. Okay. Now I'm in the Center of Excellence Starter Kit core component app called as app and flow inactivity notification cleanup view. Now, this particular app will list down all the app for which you need to do some action. Okay, so once you see the list items in this app and flow in activity notifications cleanup view, let me go into one of the app to show you in action. Okay, now this is one of the apps, store app, which is listed over here. Now, once I go in this app, I can see some information. It says this app display name is this is the name, this is the email address for this app, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, if you see this note, it says app has been excused from archival. So that means this is kind of an important app for my organization, and I have marked this app as inactive. Sorry, this app has been excused from archival. So this app is will never get archived. Okay, so it has been excused. Now, what I can do, I can mark this app as not excused as well. But where does this setting reside? Okay. Now, if I go into another app called as Power Platform Admin View, and then if I navigate to Power Apps app, and then if I navigate to the settings part, I can see that this app is excused from inactivity flow, and this is marked as yes. Okay. So let me refresh this. Okay. Let me refresh this, and I can see the setting as excuse from inactivity as yes. Okay. Now again, I navigate to this app and flow inactivity notification cleanup view. Now let me mark this app as not excused. Okay, so that this app will undergo some flow iteration process, and then if this app is not used for long, then this will app will be a candidate for archival. Okay, so let me mark app as not excused. Now let me see the settings. If you see this setting as yes. Okay, now if I refresh this, now based on that action what I have just now done, okay, I can see this value has become no. So that means this field is linked to the action in this particular application. Now admin can directly go here, or maybe they can go through those app and flow in activity notification app and then make those changes. So from here, you can make a setting uh, to excuse the say app from the inactivity flow. So whenever this flow runs now, this app can be marked as say non-compliant if it has not been used for say specific number of days. Okay, so this is where this setting reside. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.